Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm Franzen Rivera. Today I am going to walk you through a C programming I made for a major activity. It's all about stream processing. Our goal is to build a mini concordance, which is basically a tiny dictionary that counts how many times each word appear in paragraph. So let me show you the code. Okay, here we go. I will explain the code line by line. So, okay. So, let me tell you first what the program does. This program takes a paragraph input from the user up to 500 characters, then it pulls out all the words made of English letters, ignores the case so the capital T in the word and small all small letter the are the same. Counts each word's frequency and finally prints them in alphabetical order. So first let me break down the okay. So first okay. So these are power up libraries. They let us use strings, character checks, memory handling, and input and output. So this line, this is I set the maximum paragraph length to 501 because we allow 500 characters plus 1 for the null denominator at the end. Okay, so the next one, uh, here, this line. Here, I made a custom data type to hold each word and how many times it appears. Each word can be up to 50 characters long, just in case someone types like long words. Okay, so this this line, okay, we're in the main line. Okay, this is where store the paragraph typed by the user. We're using uh, fgets to read the entire line, including the spaces here. Okay, so this next line. Okay, this next line. Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. So this next line here. Okay, this next line here. I put a comment. Normalize, convert to lowercase, remove non-letters. So this part is super important. I look through the paragraph and turn everything into lowercase. So hello, some of the capital letter of hello like H or the L becomes all small capital letter. And I replace anything that's not a letter with a space. So that way we can easily split it into words later. Okay, so the next one is this line, the extract words. Okay, so here, this one, this line. Okay, so here I use string talk, which means token. Okay, string token, to split the clean version into words using spaces as separators. Okay, so next one is the here the this one. This line is to check if the word is already in the list. Okay, this line is like For every word I extract, I check if it's already in my list. If it is, I just increase the count. So, so this line, okay, let's scroll down. Okay. So this line, um, this one, okay. I allocate more spacing using real lock, copy the new word, and start its count at 1. So then I use simply bubble sort to order all the words alphabetically. Okay, this one, this line. Yeah, this line. So let's scroll down again for a new line. So here the line, this one, this is the sorting alphabetically. So I sort it out, okay. So the next line is the printing the result. Yeah, yeah, this also this line, printing the result. And then the sorting, this one printing the result. Okay, let's scroll down. So we print each word left aligned with their counts. This is where you really see the coordinates come to life. Okay, and finally, so here the last line. I put a free words. I freed the memory I located with Willock because, yeah, this one. So, okay, this is the code. Okay, let's hear the code. I hope you understand this. So, it's a short code. Yes. I arrange it properly for you to understand. Okay, and okay, let's run this. Let's run this. Okay, okay, let's wait. So let's loading. Okay, here. Uh, okay, enter a paragraph, max 50 character. Let's say the input is let's say the input is okay. Okay, let's say the input is okay here. The the quick okay, quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so lazy dog. The dog sleeps. Okay, so the output will be here. Oh, yeah. Concordance. The brown word is one. The dog. Two. Fox. One. The jumps. One. Lazy. One. Over. One. Quick. One. Sleeps. One. And the dog is three. Okay. So here, guys. And that's it. I hope you enjoy detailed walkthrough of the string concordance program, and I hope you understand. I'm so sorry for those words that I mispronounced. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.